Hey editor, every week I get messages that start the same way. I'm definitely going to join Elite Editor Academy. Just not yet. And I get it. When I was stuck at $150 per edit, I told myself the same thing. I'll invest in myself when I have more money. But that version of me never had more money because nothing changed. And that's a trap most editors never escape. Waiting for conditions that only appear after you take action. The truth is, waiting doesn't protect your wallet. It drains it slowly. Every month that passes without learning how to attract high-paying clients or edit like the best in the game is another month stuck earning low rates, chasing the wrong projects, and hoping something clicks. Meanwhile, editors inside Elite Editor Academy are replacing that waiting with winning. These aren't lucky outliers. They were in the exact same spot you're in right now. Unsure, nervous, and tight on funds. Ashley almost gave up after years of charging $100 an edit. Now she's at $400 per edit. Amog was earning $300 a month. Now it's almost $2K a month with fewer projects. Andrew added $550 a month and landed a 4 million subscriber client. Now, whether they were freelancing full-time or editing after work, the system worked. And look, I know you've probably seen other editing courses that overpromise and underdeliver. This is not that. Every strategy inside comes straight from real client projects with millions of views and thousands in retained income. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" they started asking, "What will it cost me if I don't?" And that's when everything shifted. If you've been waiting for quote unquote the right time, this is it. Not because of a countdown or sale, but because the longer you wait, the more momentum you lose. Your dream clients aren't pausing their growth until you're ready. Everything inside is built to save you time, not steal it. Clear frameworks, short actionable lessons, and plug-and-play systems that let you earn more in fewer hours. And guys, one good client from what you'll learn inside can pay for the entire program several times over. That's why I can confidently say it'll be the best investment you've ever made in your editing career. If you're still listening to this, that voice in your head already knows the answer. Join Elite Editor Academy today and make the next 30 days the turning point where you stop watching success happen and start experiencing it. Because staying where you are, it's already been expensive enough. Y'all have a good one.